So Mi fans, we launched two new laptops, Mi Notebook 14 and the flagship Mi Notebook 14 Horizon Edition. Let's look at some of the competition devices. Let's start with Mi Notebook 14. It comes with Intel i5 10th generation processor. It also comes with NVIDIA MX250 graphic card, 8 GB of DDR4 RAM and up to 512 GB of SSD storage. It is a super premium design made of metal body, thin and light, and weighs only 1.5 kgs. It can be compared to high-end laptops from Dell, Lenovo and HP. Let's look at them. Mi Notebook 14 can be compared with flagship high-end devices from HP, Dell and Lenovo. For example, all these devices come with Intel i5 10th generation processor, MX250 graphic card from NVIDIA, 8 GB of DDR4 RAM. So what should be the price of Mi Notebook 14? It's a premium laptop with thin and light design, metallic body and really great specs. And it competes with other premium laptops. So should we price it at 60,000 or 50,000? Or what do you say, even lower? I'm happy to share that we are launching Mi Notebook 14 at an inaugural price of only 41,999 rupees for the 256 GB variant. The 512 GB variant will be available for 44,999 and the 512 GB variant with NVIDIA MX250 graphic card will be available for 47,999 rupees in the inaugural offer. Now let's talk about my personal favorite, the amazing flagship Mi Notebook 14 Horizon Edition. It's probably the most beautiful laptop in the world with its super thin and light design. It is 17.15 mm thin and it weighs only 1.35 kgs. It has one of the highest screen to body ratio at 91%. It comes with 8 GB of DDR4 RAM and 512 GB of NVMe SSD storage. It is being launched in two different variants with Intel's i5 10th generation processor and Intel's i7 10th generation processor. And this is one of the first laptop to come with NVIDIA's MX350 graphic card. So an incredible flagship device. And I personally believe there's no competition for this laptop in the country right now. There are few devices available from HP, Dell and Lenovo, which also come with i7 10th generation. They come with 8 GB of DDR4 RAM, but they're much thicker, much heavier, and none of them come with MX350 graphic card. All of them with MX250 graphic card, and all of them are priced between 80,000 rupees to 1 lakh rupees. So what should be the price of this amazing flagship Mi Notebook 14 Horizon Edition? I'm happy to share that Mi Notebook 14 Horizon Edition will start at only rupees 54,999 rupees for i5 10th generation variant, and the i7 10th generation variant will be launched at 59,999 rupees. Not just this, we have a special offer for all our Mi fans. Everyone who will buy a Mi Notebook 14 or Mi Notebook 14th Horizon Edition over next 1 month using an HDFC Bank credit card or debit card will get an instant 2,000 rupee cashback. Which means effectively Mi Notebook 14 will start at 39,999 rupees and Mi Notebook 14 Horizon Edition will start at 52,999 rupees. So when can you buy these amazing flagship devices? Both Mi Notebook 14 and Mi Notebook 14 Horizon Edition will be available starting next week, 17th of June on Mi.com, our partner platform Amazon, and Mi Home and Mi Studio stores, and will soon be available across many of our offline retail partners. So one final surprise for all of you guys. During this period, we are not able to host physical events. where you can touch and feel this laptop. So we are doing something special for our Mi fans. So we are bringing Mi Notebook 14 in your home. How? Just scan the QR code on the screen and you can experience the Mi Notebook 14 Horizon Edition in an augmented reality form. I really hope all of you guys enjoy it. So that's all from our side, guys. Thank you so much for joining in today. Please take care, stay safe. Namaste.